Hello, my name is Ashley Martinez and I'm going to explain my code. So here is my working code on the side. As you can see, my code works perfectly fine. And here I'm going to start off with my function for the body of my Bitmoji. So I have a function for the body of my Bitmoji, and I also have another function for the head of my Bitmoji. And then again, I have another function, and this function puts the body and head of my Bitmoji together. So it just draws the entire Bitmoji, as you can see. And then I'm also subtracting 70 from the X and Y values. So the cursor could be perfectly centered to my Bitmoji each time I click, so it can disappear. Here, I have declared 3 arrays. One array for the x-axis of the canvas, and another array for the y-axis of the canvas, and then another array for the speed for the Bitmoji. And then I have a variable that's the number of Bitmojis that you see here on the screen. And then I have a for loop that adds random values to the x, y, and speed arrays. Coming down here, I have a draw function which draws a background and draws like the circle here, as you can see here. And then it also makes sure that the circle is following the cursor here. And this makes it easier for when we're clicking on the mouse, the circle can identify like which emoji I'm clicking on, some sort of. And then it could also help me later on with another function that I'm going to show that helps my Bitmoji disappear. So here, the rest of the for loop, what it does is that every time the Bitmoji goes through this side of the canvas, it goes ahead and brings it to back all the way back to the left, so the Bitmoji can come back if I haven't clicked it. And then I have another function for mouse clicked. So that way, each time the mouse is clicked, but Bitmoji can disappear. And by the way it's disappearing is that each time I click, my Bitmoji is being spawned all the way to the left of the canvas where the Bitmoji cannot be seen, so it can come back. And I think another thing I forgot to mention is that each time the Bitmoji comes to this screen, the speed is changed each time it comes back and goes to the right of the screen. So yeah, it's random each time the Bitmoji comes back. But yeah, that's my code.